Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and this is a comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro and the Samsung S21 Ultra, and it is the best comparison you'll find on YouTube, because in this video I'll show you how a shaving looks in time-lapse. Also, right now you'll be able to see how these phones stabilizes as I'm walking with these two, with the selfie camera filming. Handheld, how do you think these guys stabilizes this to your liking? How do you like it? And now we're shooting with the back cameras of these two phones. Handheld, we're shooting in 4K 30 frames a second. The same as we did with the selfie cam. How do you think stabilizes? What about the colors? How do you like the blues and the greens and the whites? And now for the best slow motion footage you've ever seen on YouTube of a cat hardly moving. And this is how both the cameras look at nighttime. We're shooting in 4K on the back cameras. Both of these cameras should be some of the best you can get for any kind of money on a cell phone. So, well, it's up to you to decide how you like the quality. And I'm not meaning of my face, but of the quality of the picture. And this is video at nighttime using very scarce light. I only have these two lights in the background. We're filming with the the selfie camera, by the way, so I'm just trying to give them a hard time. What do you think?
And just you remember that you're watching the best video comparison of these two phones on YouTube. Do you understand?
And some macro shots. And this beautiful skyline. A guy pretending to watch porn.
God.
Again, then if I want to take a photo, I can use these different filters. Toggle filters on the iPhone. I don't know if it's studio light, contour light, stage light. Stage light mono. And high key light mono. That's pretty good actually. And of course we're not spared from those kind of antics on the S21 Ultra. You've got these filters which you can apply fog, shadows, monstrosity, I'll translate it to palm tree, and then you have all these kind of more normal, you know, not as harsh weirdo filters, a lot of them, and of course you can download and make a lot of others also. That's it. The best camera comparison of these two phones found on the internet by yours sincerely. A guy drinking coffee. The skimmed ass taste.